All right, folks. So, surprise, surprise. This is what I see after I unlock the vehicle. It says it is MoveOS 5.0 on my mobile app, but this is the starting screen which I get after I unlock the vehicle. Let's see what's inside. It's running MoveOS 4 intro video. Let's see what do we have inside. Because on my mobile app it was showing dash software as 5.0, but here it says MoveOS 4. See, learn more about MoveOS 4. So this is the kind of bug what they give forcefully gave this bug. It says 5.0 Gen 1 0624, and here it says MoveOS 4. What else do we have in surprise? Here also MoveOS 4. ऊपर में वर्जन 5.0 Gen 1 दिखा रहा है, नीचे में 4.0 बोल रहा है. Auto downloads are disabled, but still it was forcefully downloaded, basically uploaded from the servers and installed as well. And it says that it is MoveOS 4. Access control, no difference, documents, safety, tamper detection, fault detection, all interesting. It is probably back in MoveOS 5. I'm not sure. Probably it looks like they have renamed version 4 to 5.0. I don't know. Yeah, I have both Ola Maps and Map My India. What's going on, guys? Riding modes, I will have to toggle them through after every updates, unless they have not changed the version. It's still 4.0. I will have to toggle. Lights, all these settings are same as MoveOS 4. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display. So I'm not sure what did they change. Let me manually focus so it does not keep switching between the focus. Yeah, now I think it should be better. So this is what they call MoveOS 5 release version. Interesting, Hannah? And I bet there won't be any new widgets also. Let's see. I have power widgets, of course. No. Yeah. No additional widgets. So it's still MoveOS 4. But for some reason it says 5.0 5.0. I don't know what exactly they are doing, but it is still MoveOS 4. Let me quickly try to reboot and see what is going on. It says rebooting the scooter.